Hello everybody, welcome to The Book Club. Today we are going to see the summary of the book, War of Lanka. War of Lanka is a novel by Indian author Amish Tripathi and is the fourth installment in the Ramchandra series. This novel intricately weaves together the narratives of Ram, Sita, and Ravan, culminating in the epic battle between Dharma and Adharma. Chapter 1, Echoes of the Past. The story opens with Ravan haunted by memories of Vedavati, the only woman he ever loved. In a dream, he witnesses her tragic demise and her plea to protect her daughter, Sita. Awakening, Ravan finds himself aboard the Pushpak Viman, with Sita now his captive. Sita's resemblance to Vedavati rekindles Ravan's obsession, but her defiance and unwavering loyalty to Ram challenge his intentions. Chapter 2, The Weight of Loss. Ram grapples with the anguish of Sita's abduction. His grief transforms into a resolute determination to rescue her, adhering strictly to the principles of Dharma. Lakshman, his loyal brother, and Hanuman, the formidable Naga warrior, rally to his side, setting the stage for an impending war. Chapter 3, Gathering allies. Recognizing the need for a formidable alliance, Ram seeks support from various kingdoms. Hanuman's journey to Kishkindha leads to an alliance with the Vanaras, including the valiant Sugriv and the mighty Jambavan. The coalition begins to take shape, united by a common goal, the liberation of Sita and the restoration of Dharma. Chapter 4, The Bridge to Lanka. Faced with the challenge of crossing the ocean to reach Lanka, Ram devises a plan to construct a bridge. With the combined efforts of the Vanaras and the guidance of Nala and Neela, the bridge, known as the Ram Setu, begins to take form. This monumental task symbolizes the unity and determination of Ram's forces. Chapter 5, Ravan's preparations in Lanka. Ravan fortifies his kingdom, preparing for the inevitable confrontation. Despite his formidable defenses, internal dissent brews. Vibhishan, Ravan's brother, becomes increasingly disillusioned with Ravan's actions, especially his treatment of Sita. The seeds of betrayal are sown, hinting at cracks within Ravan's stronghold. Chapter 6, The war commences. With the bridge completed, Ram's army advances towards Lanka. The initial battles are fierce, showcasing the valor of warriors on both sides. Hanuman's prowess becomes evident as he decimates enemy forces, while Lakshman confronts formidable adversaries, including Indrajit, Ravan's son. Chapter 7, The Duel of Brothers. Lakshman faces Indrajit in a brutal duel. Indrajit's mastery of illusion and warfare tests Lakshman's limits. Despite suffering grievous injuries, Lakshman's resilience and strategic acumen lead to Indrajit's defeat, marking a significant turning point in the war. Chapter 8, The Fall of Kumbhakarna. Ravan summons his brother Kumbhakarna, a giant warrior, to the battlefield. Despite his reluctance, Kumbhakarna honors his duty. His immense strength wreaks havoc, but ultimately, he falls to the combined might of Ram's forces, symbolizing the fall of blind loyalty. Chapter 9, The Final Confrontation. The climactic battle between Ram and Ravan unfolds. Ravan, driven by ego and grief, unleashes his full might. Ram, embodying Dharma, counters with precision and restraint. The duel is intense, culminating in Ram's victory and Ravan's demise, signifying the triumph of righteousness over arrogance. Chapter 10, Restoration and Reflection. With Ravan defeated, Ram rescues Sita. However, societal norms and questions about purity lead to Sita's Agni Pariksha, trial by fire, which she passes unscathed. The war concludes, but the emotional scars linger. Ram's adherence to Dharma, even at personal costs, underscores the complexities of leadership and righteousness. War of Lanka masterfully blends mythology with human emotions, presenting a tale that resonates with contemporary readers. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please find the buying link in description. Like, share and subscribe to be notified.